Ribbon Finance DeFi Platform Review, my usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Ribbon Finance, a decentralized finance platform that focuses on simplifying yield strategies through structured products. Ribbon Finance is designed for DeFi users who want to access higher yields with less complexity by utilizing strategies like options and staking. It is built to make complex financial products more accessible and is particularly useful for both beginners and experienced DeFi investors who want to automate yield generation while managing risk. From my personal experience, Ribbon Finance offers a variety of structured products, most notably the Ribbon Earn product, which provides users with automated option strategies. These products are designed to work with stablecoins or ETH, and they aim to deliver consistent yield by using options to reduce volatility risk. One standout feature is their active risk management, which ensures your assets are rebalanced regularly to minimize losses during downturns. For example, Ribbon Earn uses a combination of covered calls and puts to capture returns while limiting downside risk. This allows investors to take a more hands-off approach, as the platform automatically executes these strategies without requiring any manual intervention. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't deep into DeFi. Connecting your wallet to the platform is straightforward, and depositing or withdrawing assets doesn't require any advanced knowledge of blockchain technology. The platform also offers high transparency with detailed performance reports showing how each product has performed over time. This is crucial for anyone who values transparency when investing in DeFi. However, it's worth noting that while Ribbon offers innovative products, they come with a certain level of risk, particularly in terms of smart contract vulnerabilities and market volatility. The platform's risk management does a good job at mitigating these, but like all DeFi platforms, users should be aware of the inherent risks involved. In conclusion, Ribbon Finance is a solid DeFi platform that caters to those looking to earn passive income through structured, automated strategies without diving too deep into complicated DeFi protocols. It's well suited for those who want to take advantage of options trading in a simplified, user-friendly environment. If you're someone who's looking to earn consistent yield on your crypto without the headache of active management, Ribbon Finance could be a great addition to your DeFi portfolio.